A reliable electrical supply is a critical component for commercial agricultural operations. This guarantees that critical functions such as lighting, refrigeration, cooling, space conditioning, water pumping, irrigation, and on-farm processing continue uninterrupted. MegaPower supplied, installed, and commissioned off-grid solar system with battery banks, water pumping system for 42 poultry farms and 20 vegetable farms supported by the Agricultural Development Association based in Ramallah. These systems totaled 166 kWp and comprised of components that included CanadianSolar PV models, Hoppecke battery banks, SMA PV inverters, and solar pumps. Contact MegaPower for a free consultation and have customized solar energy solution developed for your farm. Our solutions are designed to have a short payback period that enables you to recoup your investment and enjoy free energy.